All right. All right, guys. What's up? So I really didn't have time to run the intro song. We're just going to jump right into it. Just give it a few minutes for everyone to get the notifications and stop in. This is going to be, let me switch over. Hello. This is going to be a quick stream. I have some stuff to do around like 2 o'clock. So I got to leave by then. Well, maybe, not exactly 2, but give or take. So I'm going to be on for like 25, 30 minutes. Just give you guys a quick little rundown. If you guys have any questions, please ask them now or ask them as soon as you can. I'm going to try to get to all of them as fast as I can. Give you guys some updates on some things that I'm looking at. And let's be honest, nothing much has really changed. Last time we talked, we were kind of like around in this region. And if you guys haven't watched the previous live stream, you guys pretty much know. Well, if you guys have watched the previous live stream, you guys should know what my bias is. If you guys haven't seen me in a while, since my little break, pretty much we were kind of bouncing around in this range, and I was waiting for either the high or the low to break. And as simple as that, the low was broken. Kind of danced around this region a little bit. Eventually made our way back up, and now we are above that pivot. So on a larger term time frame, 4 to 8 hour, this is a clear cut ABC. To me, this is a really good reaction off of that low, and I'm very happy to say that I think we're back on. The bull run is back on. It's just a matter of once you break the all-time highs, as long as we don't break the all-time highs and kind of do something like this. As long as you don't dance around that region too much and then reject, we're still in good hands. We can come up here, dance, find support, maybe come up, maybe test a couple times, and then eventually continue to take off. That is something we can do. But as long as we don't pull back heavily back into this region after putting a new all-time high, then I'll be a little bit more confident that the bull run is on. I can't say for certainty that's going to happen, but right now I would say I am the majority on the side of that we are going to continue to go higher. The only other option on the table is that maybe this ABC was part of a larger B, and maybe do something like that. Now, if that is the case, all right, the only thing I would say is that we might have to come back down and test maybe lower regions of support like 38, 40K. That is also very valid. I can't deny that that is a possibility. We have to look at these areas of support somewhere around this region here, and I would say around this pivot around 38K. Let's see. Betabot, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Josh V, how you doing, man? Pradesh, stop loss hit 2 times and missed my third entry while I was sleeping. On what trade? Dylan, smoke. All right. But yeah, things are pretty much going according to plan. Now, what I mean according to plan is, you guys know where's my red? There it is. What I mean by according to plan is the setups are there. We were waiting for these setups for a while, and we're just waiting. I give you guys, this is my quick other synopsis of what could happen, but I'm not too keen on this idea. We've just been kind of raging sideways for way too long. How long have we been in this range for? It's been 132 days. So about 4 months. To me, that's just too long. I really like this as a ABC correction, and that's pretty much it. I noticed this morning, but traditional markets are down, which is interesting because Bitcoin is still holding its own. Cryptos are still holding its own. You can see pretty much everything except for gold is in the red. Even the DXY is in the red a little bit. But if I go to the crypto chart, everything's in the positive. Sol's pumping, XRP still going, XRP's going again. So everything looks good from the crypto side. When it comes to certain coins, nothing much has really changed. I drew those lines. Well, you cannot. That was new. Did you guys see that? How did that? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. That's a cool idea. It's a nice little feature they added. But yeah, if you guys want me to look at anything, please let me know. But I figured I'd just stop in, say hello, give you guys a quick little update for the week. I'm not going to be really keen on being too excited about anything until we start breaking the larger ranges. Whether that's, I mean, even still, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but this is also on the table. This could be also a larger A to a possible B to a C. I'm not liking this idea so much. Maybe we take our time, kind of stretch out this B wave a little bit, fall quicker for a C. That's also in the realm of possibilities. I do not like this as an idea, me personally, but you know, I have to acknowledge it as a possible scenario as well. But for me, the previous high, the previous pivot high here is the larger term idea of what I would like to see tested. Let's see. Can you please take a look at Milady? What is with these coins? I've never heard of these. I feel like every time I pop into live stream, there's just a new coin that I haven't heard of. What's the best chart for this? Let me know what the best. I mean, there's Bybit Spot, KuCoin maybe. Hey Johnny, what's up? It's been a long time. Yes, I've been gone for about a month. Took a slight break, had some stuff I had to take care of. I'm still in the process of doing some things that it's kind of messing up my schedule. But yeah, unfortunately I haven't been trading Forex at all. I haven't even looked at a Forex chart in months. So I haven't. What's the beta bot? What's the best chart for this? Because if I can't, to me it looks like Bybit. But me personally, I mean, it looks like a nice ABC here. There's really no serious price history with this coin. I mean, it's been around for a year, right? Yeah, it's been around for over a year. That's a really nice correction. So, I mean, if it's going to follow suit, if there's good liquidity in this coin and it's going to respect ABCs, then that's the question. I mean, the only serious pivots I see, maybe this one here. I mean, there's really no resistance on the way up. I got some good trades playing. Yeah, I mean, I'm primarily a spot trader. I've kind of stepped away from leverage for now. But I bought some up here, or I bought some down here off of this ABC. My biggest play so far is that on KDA, you know, I've been kind of DCAing on the way up and on the way down, but I had one of my biggest buy order was filled down here. I got in around like 45, 47 cents as this wick was coming back up. I put in a very heavy buy order. So if I'm going to treat this like a spot position for that major order, I'm just going to do probably like a 20% stop and let it rip. You know, it's at $7 higher. I mean, you know, we can talk about price points on another stream, but KDA is pretty much my home run coin. Nice. What's the target? Aiming 60K. Okay, not 60K now. But if you want to do the formula target formula, I mean the formula for the target of what I think could happen. I guess I can go over that real quick. All right, so the max supply is going to be 1 billion, right? And depending, and now this is all on, I guess, how do I call this? This is all just, you know, being skeptical. This is not any solidified, solid advice. But based on potential, right, and we're just speculating here, a decently established altcoin back in the previous bull run. Let me go back, actually. I know I can do... Where is the... Didn't they have like a rewind feature? Couldn't you go back in history and see? Hold on. Okay, so I found a snapshot. Was this the peak of the last bull run? Yeah, November 2021. So, all right, you can see in the top 25. Let's see, what was the... All right, so the top 25, most coins got to a $10 billion market cap. Anything in the top 10, a fucking meme coin got to 27 billion. Even Avalanche, 25 billion. Terra, 20 billion. Uniswap, 12 billion. So let's just say 15 to 25 billion dollars. All right, just for example. I'm going to make sure I haven't done this in a while. All right, so if KDA can, right now the market cap's at 169 million. What did I say? 20? Let's just say 20 billion. 20 million. Let's just say 170 million. Round it up. All right, that's 117x. All right, this is kind of just in the middle somewhere. And this is with less money in crypto altogether from the previous bull run. As prices go up, as money continues to inflow, the amount of market cap space becomes readily available and can spread across multiple coins. So you do the math on that. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but theoretically, if KDA can gain some traction, get some money inflowed, can get some of the money coming in from the bull market, then this is potentially what you can make, or what the potential price point of that is. So you do with that as you wish. Do I think can it happen? It can. Is it going to? It's more of like a home run scenario. It's not. Hold on, I got a phone call. Okay, take it real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see. Got any news from Kite? Kite's still around. I talked to him a couple days ago. You know, he'll he'll be back. I can't say when, but he will be back. So, but he's alive. He's surviving. He's got some stuff going on. He's busy. And Kite hasn't really had, I mean, you know, there's not really that much going on. So I don't blame him for not streaming. I mean, there is some price action that's developing, which is nice. But from his perspective, he doesn't really need to stream. He will be back at Bitcoin all the time. Let's see. Anything else you guys want me to go over? Like I said, I got to wrap this up soon. S&P's dropping. Some support in that region. What do you think about the next bull run for cryptos? I mean, it's going to be the same thing for the most part. I think Bitcoin's going to pump. So basically, this is the order of what happened. So, right, so it goes Bitcoin pumps. I mean, I think it's going to be the same thing. Oh my God. So that's pretty much the course of what it's going to happen. First, Bitcoin's going to pump, then money's going to flow into out of Bitcoin into larger cap alts like XRP, ETH, ADA. Try to think what else. I don't know if Algo is really considered one. Matic, some of the larger ones that you guys are familiar with. And eventually Solana, that's another one. And then from there, money will start flowing into smaller cap alts and meme coins. And that's pretty much the gist of it. Once BTC kind of settles, then larger caps will get the pump. Once they settle, then the money flows into... Nothing's really going to change. Now, the coins that are going to pump, that's a little bit different. I think we're not going to see, you know, coins like ADA, XRP, you know, pump 100x. All right. That's, to me, that's a stretch. Can it happen? Absolutely. The question is, how probable is it? Then, you know, that's another argument we can, that's another discussion we can have. You know, I honestly, the people who think that ADA can't go back up to, or some of these coins can't go back up to the previous all-time high is a little crazy in my opinion. But, you know, to me, it's... You're going to see money flow into new coins. Maybe AI coins are going to be a thing. I don't know. It's a lot of it is just speculation. Where is Monk? He's around too. Do you think Nike is a good investment for long term at the moment with looking at its price action? I was typed in Nike USD. Wow. Um, I think so. It for me, it's kind of hard with brands like Nike because there's a lot of competition out there. I mean, do I think Nike holds a large percentage of the market share of the industry? Yes. That's a good nest of support right there. Maybe you can buy down like from 61 down to 50. If it drops below 50, then I mean there's some support, but I don't see anything. It's kind of hard to tell. I think this is a good area for it to lose $40 and just plummet straight to 10. I don't think that's fair or reasonable. There's really nothing, no significant separation of trend in this region besides this. So I think, if it wants to get to the low, about $50 is fair. I feel Nike shoes are overrated. I mean, they're pretty good. Like I own some Nike stuff. I own Adidas. I own yeah, it's pretty much the main two, Nike and Adidas. I have a couple pairs of Nike shoes. I have a pair of Yeezys. I have a pair of Adidas running shoes. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much. I'm not too familiar with the clothing sector side of things, but to me, Nike's always one of the top dogs. But things can change. Drew, hey hippie, hope you're doing well. I'm doing good, my friend. How you doing? It's good to see you. All right. Does anybody else have any questions for me? How loud am I being? It's pretty loud. If anybody else does have any questions for me, let me know. Oh, if you guys have any questions, let me know. We're gonna quickly play Wordle. Actually, no. I don't have time for Wordle, actually. Yeah. Let me just check something. Okay, I have like maybe 5 minutes. Let's do... There's another game out there that's similar. I want to try it on stream. It's called Wordle, Hurdle, or something like that. It's like a ripoff of... Damn, sorry, Emily. I have to watch from the beginning. Stupid job. No worries, you. Like I said, this is just gonna be a quick stream. Nothing's really changed. I'm just stopping and saying hello. Trying to be a little more consistent here. So this is gonna. Let's try this. Great start. Okay, the ends either the second spot or the... It probably ends with an ON. What do you guys think? This is interesting because I tried it before, and you have to do. There's multiple levels. There's not just one word. So you got to get through all the hurdles. What do you guys think? Chomp. Well, it's got to end. Maybe it doesn't have to end in ON. I think I have one. Okay, so the O is in the middle spot. Wow, this is a miracle. Johnny is live. Good to see. you guys love it. It's funny. No, it's good to see you too, Mr. Reckless. Like I said, I'm trying to be more consistent. All right, I messed up. There's no K's. Hold on, just hear me out. Okay, I was right. Now this is tough because you have one less space to do so. Ugh. What's this ad that's playing? I guess we're starting from the beginning. No M, nice guess. Thank you, Drew. How you play inside YouTube? YouTube has like a game section. Yeah, it's called YouTube Playables. And then you can play all these games. I tried a couple of them. You can see but these are like the TikTok games you see, where like they show clips on the top and they're playing games on the bottom. These are the type of games that you see. There's no E at the end. I was gonna do. Maybe the E. The E's not there. I can't see the E being in the beginning. Maybe the second. It's either this spot or this spot. But no, I would say maybe the R is here and the E is here. Chief. No. Oh no. Grief. I missed the beginning. You still trade ABC? If so, how's it going? Yes, I'm still trading ABC versus Reckless, but I pretty much use like a swing trade / like spot account perspective. Like if I am going to use leverage, you know, I'm doing something like this. Like I did buy some more spot down here. But let's say I am using a spot position. I'm going to use something like below the last previous low, and I'm just going to target higher like that. Like I'm going to be not going very aggressive, but I am going to be using larger term or larger term patterns to swing trade for possible higher targets. Like, I think this is the move that we work our way up to 100K plus. I think so. So I still trade ABCs. ABCs are the most important thing, but instead of, you know, being aggressive on smaller time frames, I'm still sticking to larger time frames. If I am using leverage, I'm using larger stop losses, and I'm just working with spot primarily. So that's not the beginning. Flyer? Yeah, that's gotta be okay. Watch it be raised. Okay, so I have 4 letters, not 5. This makes it a little bit easier. It doesn't though, because we're still yellows. Flyer. What do you guys think? I kind of like this because it's nice. You get multiple rounds. It's not just one round with Wordle. Interesting game. It's the same concept. I don't know. I wanted to say north, but there's no T. I really don't want to waste a turn. But the O is not going to make sense in that spot. Oh, hold on. Okay. Gorin? Oh, grown. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay. But to be honest, it's not. See, because I could use raised donut, but there's no R, no A. I'm gonna try raise. That doesn't really help me. GI. Girth, I'll try that. Okay, so the GI is there. Hold on, I gotta answer a text. God damn it, this is annoying. Girth was a good guess, Drew. GI. Gimme. Giddy. All right. We got a cheater in chat here, guys. What the fuck? What? All right, this is interesting. I don't remember doing this last time, but I played this like last time I played was like a week ago. DIRTY? Dirty? Got it. Yeah, I remember doing this last time, but I don't remember. There you go. There's today's hurdle. I like that. Today's hurdle. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap it up, guys. I'll be back next week. Hopefully things change, but with the way things have been going recently, I wouldn't be surprised. So hopefully I'll be able to stream longer next time. I just got some stuff I got to do. I'm very busy today, tomorrow, possibly Friday. So yeah. So next week, hopefully, we'll see if we get an update, see if price changes, see if we get a more solidified answer. Until we break that high, I mean, even at this point, I could even call it, you know, even if we retrace the low, it's possible that we get something like this. Or that the C wasn't done yet. Right? It's possible that we can get one more. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but at this point, until we break that low, I'm still bullish until we break the high. So, have a great week. Glad I caught you. It's good seeing you, Drew. Johnny has got brains. Vote Johnny for U.S. president. That is the one job I do not want. I do not want to be president. Do not vote for me. All right? Do not write me in. You can write it in the U.S. You can write in anyone you want. Don't write me in. That'd be pretty funny if you did. But I think you would have to. Never mind. Don't do that. So, but I appreciate it, Pratish. I appreciate it. So yeah, till then, we're gonna call it a day, a week. So be good, guys. Enjoy the week. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Well, I'll say goodbye quick, actually. Pratish, Drew, Mr. Reckless, Heather. Who else did I miss? Romaine, BetaBot, Dylan, Josh V. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate every single one of you. So until next time, be good, be safe. Bye-bye.